Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your old laptop into a powerful web server without paying for cloud services. We'll be using Frappe Framework, WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, and Ngrok to expose your local site to the internet. We will now create a Frappe site. Most developers rely on cloud platforms for hosting, but not everyone wants to spend money on AWS, GCP, or DigitalOcean. With this setup, you can reuse your old laptop, run your own ERP or custom apps using Frappe, access your site from anywhere using Ngrok. All of this over your home broadband connection. No cloud bills, full control, zero dependencies. Now we will install ERPNext and Payments Frappe application. Now we will run the tunnel service. That's it, your laptop is now a server. You've installed Frappe on WSL and used Ngrok to serve your website publicly. If you found this helpful, like the video. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe for more tech DIY setups. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.